team natin at ito to isa yung sa pinakamabait na tao talaga na kilala ko sa team, no. Ako naniniwala kasi ako guys na ano is in business, it's not only a good business, no. Yung gusto talaga natin, pag nag-apply ka nga ng trabaho, unang mo tinitingnan, kamusta naman yung company na yan, di ba? Kamusta ba diyan? Maganda ba diyan yung ano, yung compensation plan? Maganda ba diyan yung yung system nila? How's the people work? How's the leaders work? How's the company take care of the people? Di ba yun ang tinitignan natin? So pag pumipili tayo ng isang company. So itong tao na to guys, so kung siya ang magiging partner mo sa business, and I myself, no, hindi ako talaga magre-reject dito sa tao na to. Mabait to guys. And other than that guys, summa cum laude, di ba? Imagine mo to guys, no? Summa cum laude. Pogi na summa cum laude pa. Top 18 to guys na nursing license nung ano siya, 2012. So nursing, anybody na nursing dito? Meron ba dito nursing in the Zoom tonight? Oh, walang nursing, doctor. Oh, doctor, kung doctor ka, nursing. Any related in the field of medicine? Wala, no? So ito guys, kung nurse ka, makaka-relate ka sa kanya, no? So hindi lang siya nurse, former medrep din, di ba? Magaling to sa sales, ibig sabihin medrep eh. Events and marketing manager, di ba? Isipin mo guys, no? And again, guys, I don't like you to miss this opportunity na mapakinggan mo yung sharing niya tonight. So please, again, remind every people na wala pa sa Zoom. And right now, we are still 17,000 on the call. And our speaker tonight also a business unit manager in insurance, guys. Insurance. Ibig sabihin ng guys, nagbebenta ng insurance, no? Kung ikaw yung gusto mong ready ka ng hindi ko naman sinasabing na bukas kuhain ka na ni Lord, di ba? Pero at least ready ka, di ba? Who knows, di ba? And this guy knows very well the business industry. So, kaya napakamagandang makinig sa tao na to, no? 18 years na siya sa insurance and also doing investment industry and certified wealth planner. And he's doing this business year 2024. So it was last year nag-start siya. And right now he's doing the business. I think he's already full-time, no? And he's also a leader in our team, no? So he's now a leader I-500. May rank siya, no? So siya na bahala mag-explain mamaya ng na yan, ng more about our business tonight. And again, I'm not the speaker tonight. Don't be shocked. So I'm just the host and I don't like to talk much more, no? Hayaan na natin mag-present itong tao na to and I would like to welcome the floor to our presenter for tonight. Guys, please give tag na ito, digital clap to our speaker tonight. Please welcome Coach Chris Mark. Coach.
All right, thank you, Coach Steven. No, thank you for the introduction and for the syempre no wonderful intro para dito sa ating overview this evening. I'm sure excited na yung bawat isa. Can you type in number 1 sa chat box if you can loudly or clearly hear me? Yan, loud and clear naman, type 1. All right. So start na tayo, no? Binigay na rin naman ni Coach Steven yung ating Coach Javen yung ating background. So ano ko lang, short story lang paano ko na-encounter si Iconic, no? It's because I want to honor din si Coach Joey. Syempre siya yung nagpasok sa akin dito. I'm very thankful for the opportunity no na mabago din yung buhay ko. Okay, so actually ngayon nafi-feel ko na no paunti-unti nagbabago yung lifestyle natin, nagbabago yung nangyayari sa buhay natin. Kasi hindi lang all about business, holistic approach kasi yung ginagawa no, spiritual, relationship, business, and other aspects ng buhay natin. Yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga. Alright, so I'm sure excited na yung bawat isa. So proceed na tayo, no? Disclaimer lang, for all of us since ako kasi 8 years na ako sa insurance and investment. So I also know na hindi lahat din ng tao para dito. Okay? So maybe this opportunity is not for you or maybe it's for you, I don't know. Okay? So ang maganda doon nandito ka. So palakpakan mo yung sarili mo because open ka for opportunities na mapakinggan. Anong klase ba yan? Paano ba ako kikita dyan? Alright? Papaano ba mababago yung buhay ko? Can you type in number 2 kung ikaw yung taong naghahanap or gusto mong mabago na yung buhay mo tonight? Alright? Can you type in number 2 sa chat box? Yan, meron naman tayong mga participants na gusto mabago yung buhay nila. Yung ibang hindi magta-type, sige, stay where you are right now. Okay lang po yun, buhay nyo po yan. Okay, pero yun nga, again, no, disclaimer lang syempre, ito kasi, syempre yung ginagawa natin, no, high level risk ito, pero meron naman tayong risk management na tinatawag. Okay, so tinuturo din po natin yon para sa mga students natin. Okay, depende din sa risk appetite nyo kung para ba talaga kayo dito sa opportunity na to. Alright, so depende rin sa investment objectives nyo, level of experience na meron kayo, and risk level na willing kayong i-accept. Okay, so again, do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, kahit sa ibang investment naman, no, sinasabi natin lagi na wag mo i-invest yung pera na pangkain mo lang, okay? Or panggastos mo or yung ginagastos mo kasi pag nawala yan, 'di ba? So iyak na, wala na, 'di ba? So sige, ano natin, no? Tuloy na natin. So who are we? We are community of entrepreneurs with a mission to help millions of people. Especially ang goal nating tulungan talaga, no? We are in the Philippines. So ang goal nating tulungan ay mga Filipinos like us, like you and me. Okay? So tanungin natin dito sa mga participants natin tonight, sino sa inyo yung empleyado as of the moment? Employee, may trabaho. Can you type in number 3 sa chat box? Yan, type in number 3. Yung mga nag-work pa, night shift, regular shift, okay, marami pa, no? Si Miss Annabel, si Sir Fritz, okay, may mga business, no? So, pero, meron din po ba ditong mga entrepreneurs or yung mga business people? Ayan, si Sir Fritz, alam ko, businessman yan. 'Di ba? Owner yan ng isang business in Cebu. Alright? So, may dalawang klase, no? Empleyado and entrepreneurs. So, saan tayo doon? Alright? So, ano ba yung difference, no, ng isang employee and isang entrepreneur? So, nagdi-differ po tayo, no, in terms of number one, income. Okay, number one, income and yung time natin na ini-spend, no, sa trabaho and doon sa business natin. Okay? Pero ang pinaka talaga difference sa dalawa is the mindset. Alam nyo guys, when we talk about mindset, no, pag empleyado ka, okay na tayo sa saan? Okay na tayo dun sa sweldo natin. Pero alam ko yung mga umattend tonight, hindi kayo okay dun sa sweldo na meron kayo. You want more. Tama, mali. Can you type in number 3 sa chat box if you want to earn more? Okay, kaya tayo nandito tonight, no? Gusto nating kumita na mas malaki. Gusto nating kumita na mas marami. Okay? So okay lang maging empleyado kasi galing din po ako diyan. Okay. Pero nakita ko yung opportunity, no, sa pagiging entrepreneur kasi ang mindset po ng isang entrepreneur is what we call growth mindset. Ibig sabihin you're open for opportunities. Papaano mo i-grow yung kung ano yung meron ka? Tama o mali? Ayan, agree naman kayo guys, no? Alright. So bakit din, how do we monetize or papaano po tayo kumikita dito, no? Through two ways. Number one, financial markets and advanced technology. So why digital? Why technology industry? Bakit ito yung pinapasok natin as of the moment? Okay, sino sa inyo yung may cellphone? Lahat tayo. Sino sa inyo yung may laptop? Tama, may internet. Lahat po tayo. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, marami po tayong market. Marami tayong pwedeng i-reach out. Alright? Number two, referral marketing and social networks. So, bakit referral marketing or what we also call affiliate marketing? Sino sa inyo dito yung familiar with affiliate marketing in TikTok? Can you type in number 4? Familiar ba tayo dun sa affiliate marketing na tinatawag? Yung tipong mag-share ka lang, ilalagay mo yung link, yung yellow basket, dito ka umorder, pag umorder meron kang kikitain. Tama, mali? Okay, so meron naman, no, si Sir Junard. Yan, si Javen, si Coach Javen. So familiar na tayo with affiliate marketing, okay? Or referral marketing. And sino sa inyo dito yung kumain na sa isang magandang resto, masarap yung kinainan, maganda yung restaurant, nagpicture, nagvideo, nagpost, meron ding kumain doon pero walang kinita? Tama, mali. Okay, so nagpo-promote tayo actually, no, without earning something, without earning anything. Tama? Pero why not do it? I-promote mo siya, i-share mo siya sa ibang tao at the same time kikita ka. Okay? So that's how we do business. All right? So business evolution. So proceed naman tayo guys, no? How much does a software cost kaya? Sa tingin nyo, magkano yung isang software? Kung mag-create ka, magde-develop ka ng isang software, meron ba ditong IT people? IT professional sa room? Meron ba tayong mga IT professionals? So, any idea kung magkano yung isang software? Okay. Mukhang walang idea, no? Nagko-cost po yan, no, ng hundreds of thousands or even millions. Kasi sa company po namin, no, nagpa-develop sila ng isang software, ng isang application wherein nandun na lahat. Okay, yung clients monitoring, yung application ng mga clients doon dadaan, and then even the approval and everything. Okay, so ganun na ka-digital or ganun na ka-techy, no, yung mga companies as of the moment. So, bakit tayo magpapahuli? Tama? So, hundreds of thousands or even millions, no, depending on their complexity. 'Di ba? So, kung mahirap yung ginagawa ng isang software, mas mahal. Alright? So, business evolution natin, guys, no? Familiar with Netflix, with Uber, with Amazon, with Airbnb, or even Tinder? Sila ba mismo yung may-ari ng mga videos na meron sila? 'Di ba hindi naman in Netflix? And it replaced movie theaters, 'di ba? Hindi ka na manonood sa sinehan para lang makapanood ng mga movies. Tama? Uber, 'di ba? Hindi rin sila yung may-ari ng mga taxi, ng mga sasakyan, pero sila yung kumikita. Amazon, ganun din. Tama? Mga products yung pumapasok sila sa kanila mismo or even yung Airbnb. 'Di ba? Kumikita sila hindi naman sa kanilang sariling property. Or yung Tinder, no, dito, syempre walang kinikita dito, but it changed the way we find a partner. Agree ba kayo doon, team, no? So that's how the business evolved, no, through the years. So the world is changing and so is the way we make money. So ganun din po, no, sa ginagawa natin as of the moment. Grabe. Okay? So I'm really excited for every one of you, no, na nakikinig kasi it's the best opportunity. Okay? Ako, no, I consider this as the best opportunity kasi open talaga ako for any opportunities, and sa lahat ng napakinggan ko, ito yung pinakamadaling gawin. Number one, pwede mo siyang gawin kahit saan. Pwede mong gawin anytime, anywhere. Okay? And at the same time, no, yung income mas madali din. So later, isi-share natin yon. Alright? So okay pa ba kayo dyan, guys? Yan, can you type in number 5 sa chat box? Alright, so employee or entrepreneur. So employee mindset versus entrepreneur mindset. Number 1, sino sa inyo dito yung gusto ng isang opportunity or business na ang reach is globally? Buong mundo. Walang exemption. Hindi lang pwede yung sa ibang planeta, syempre. Buong mundo, pwede mong ma-reach dito sa business na to. Who among you here gusto yung ganong opportunity? Type in me sa chat box. Okay, type in me sa chat box. Global reach. Okay? Number 2, flexible schedule. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, pwede nyong gawin anytime kung kailan kayo available. Then do it kung kailan kayo free. Okay, walang problema doon. Number 3, earning potential in just a click, away. Okay, click, 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 then kaching, kaching, kaching. Gusto nyo ba yun, guys? No? Every time na nagki-click kayo, of course, syempre kailangan aralin muna natin. Hindi yung click ka lang ng click, no? Para kaching, kaching, kaching tayo. Alright? So number 4, low startup cost and low cost to operate. Okay, magkano po yung franchise ng isang maliit na business. Okay, tanungin natin yung mga business people in the room, no? Magkano yung pinakamurang franchise ng isang, sabi na lang natin cart. Siguro may 25K ba ngayon? 25K to 50K or 100K pataas. Alright? So, kami guys, no, nag-put up kami ng business in the province. It's a coffee shop, okay? Alam nyo kung magkano na yung ginagastos doon? Nasa 1.5 million pesos na. Okay, ganun kalala, ganun kalaki yung kailangang capital kung mag-start ka ng isang business. Tama? Agree ba kayo doon? And number 5, benefits of a digital business. Ito, meron ka lang internet, meron kang device, okay? Meron kang konting capital, good to go ka na. Gusto nyo ba yon? You can do it anywhere as long as merong internet connection. And then digital marketing strategies, no? So, isi-share mo lang siya online. Napakadali. Sino sa inyo dito yung na-invite because of TikTok, because of Facebook, because of IG? Na hindi naman namin kayo kakilala, pero you are here listening to this opportunity tonight, no? Na kung hindi nyo kami nakita, hindi nyo malalaman yung opportunity na to. 'Di ba? So kung hindi ko rin friend si Coach Joey, hindi ko rin malalaman to, guys. Grabe. Imagine that. 'Di ba? Ganon ka ano no, ganon kaganda yung opportunity na pinipresent namin sa inyo. And after this presentation, you have the freedom. 'Di ba yung video natin kanina? It takes one decision to change your life. And it's up to you if you really want to change your life or not. Okay? Kami nandito lang to help you. Okay, so sige, push na tayo no dun sa presentation. So it was established guys no in the United States. So 5 years na po tayo existing and more than 181 countries. Okay? Globally. So available po tayo in multiple languages. Imagine you have a business na may different translations. Okay? So kahit saan nga sa mundo no, pwede silang mag-enroll dito sa business opportunity natin. All right? So specializing in financial market education and highly effective technology based on artificial intelligence. I'm sure hindi na bago na, na mapakinggan nyo no, na meron tayong ginagamit na AI. Alright? So mamaya pe-present natin sa inyo yung mga services na ino-offer natin. Um, ano no, ma-amaze din kayo no, just like me doon sa kayang gawin ng mga ano natin, technology natin. All right? So, these are the three major financial markets that we have na pwede tayong kumuha, no? Pwede tayong kumurot sa international market. Okay? So, we have Forex, stocks, and crypto. Did you know guys, no, sa global Forex market natin, ang total value ng Forex industry as of the moment is approximately 2.73 quadrillion. Okay, sino sa inyo dito yung merong $1 million? Taas ang kamay. Meron ba? Meron ba sa room? Okay, meron ba sa room na merong $1 million? Million po ha, sinasabi ko. $1 million. So dito po, yung Forex no, nasa 2.73 quadrillion. Ilang zeros kaya yon? Okay, so kayo na yung mag-imagine kung how much is that. And daily trading volume average natin no, is around $7.5 trillion po sa Forex. Ganon kalaki. Okay, so kung makakurot ka ng $100 a day, $50 a day, no? Ano lang yun? Sobrang liit lang yun dun sa total na $7.5 trillion. Correct? Ganun din sa cryptocurrency, no? Total market capitalization ng cryptocurrencies nasa $2.75 trillion. Okay, so familiar kayo with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, 'di ba? So nandyan lahat 'yan. And approximately no 15 million people yung nagtitrade na po sa Forex worldwide. 15 million. Tapos ikaw hindi ka pa nagtitrade. Hindi ka pa kasama dun sa mga online traders po natin. Okay? So tonight is your chance no to be part of our community. So consider mo siya. And ganun din sa stocks trading no. over 130 million people yung gumagamit na po ng online trading applications to trade different stocks. Okay? So, yun. Kung nagda-doubt ka pa rin, ewan ko na lang. Okay? So, this is the best opportunity na mapapakinggan mo in your life. Alright? So, let's go now to the amazing technology no na in-offer natin, yung mga software available in our company. So we have first is yung Solex. Okay? Ito yung mga mobile applications natin featuring three services that are revolutionizing the trading industry. So grabe to guys. So we have Solex application. Ito naman sa crypto IQverse and then Manara AI. So isa-isayin natin yan no. And of course, the newest and creme de la creme software ng ating company, no? Swipe to Trade. Grabe to. So, abangan nyo guys, may video ako na naka-ready, no? So, stay tuned sa ating presentation. Alright, unahin natin yung Swipe to Trade. Sige, para ano na, no, tawag dito, makita nyo na anong klase to. So, how we do it and how we make money. Okay? Through Swipe to Trade. Okay, so ito yung mga steps, no? Lalagin ka lang, kukonect mo yung account, and then trade alert, and then swipe to approve the trade. Okay, so ganun lang po siya kadali. So let's watch this short video.
All right, guys, let's take a look inside of the Swipe to Trade app. Now, after you have successfully connected your external broker to the Swipe to Trade app, you are ready. Here on the home screen, you will see all of the educators that are published and listed in the Swipe to Trade app. Next to the home screen, that tab is called the Live Sessions tab. Whenever they're doing live sessions, you will see those published here. The third tab is the Forex Alert tab. This is where the trade ideas are sent from educators for Forex trades. Now, these you can enter in manually by copying and pasting with the press of a button to your external broker. The entry price, the stop loss, the take profit, all of that is there for you to simply copy and paste. Once it's closed out, it's completely done. The same thing happens with the crypto alerts. You simply open up the alert when you receive it, copy and paste the entry price to your external broker. Same thing with the stop loss and the take profit. Now, my favorite, the Swipe to Trade. This is the technology that is the star of the show. Pay attention. When you get the alert that's sent into you, you'll see it's all published. Entry price, stop loss, and the take profit. You have the expiration here, and all you've got to do is simply swipe to approve. You swipe to the right. You enter in the lot size, what you want to risk in terms of your account. And after you've done that, swipe to approve by swiping to the right. That's why it's called Swipe to Trade. It's all in your hands.
Yan, grabe ba guys? So nakita nyo yung swipe to trade natin, no? Ganon kadali na lang yung pagte-trade sa ngayon because of our company's efforts no to really bring the best in the trading industry. So tayo pa lang no, tayo yung may ganon na napakamura lang nating ino-offer. So later pag-usapan natin no yung mga packages din about that. And of course, isa din no sa mga kasama dun sa enrollment and packages natin is the IQ Academy or Iconic Academy no wherein may mga live video training academy sessions tayo no na yung mga experts in the trading industry, sila yung nagtuturo, okay, ng mga fundamentals of the market. May mga live question and answer din sila, no? Live trading sessions, actual trades. So, meron din tayong mga sinasabayan every 9:30 p.m. if you're familiar with Abdallah. So, part po yun ng mga services na kasama po dun sa ating sa company natin. Grabe, di ba guys? So, imagine no, yung kahit hindi ka marunong, pero dahil meron kang sinasabayan, pwede ka ring maging profitable. Pero ang goal natin, of course, no, number one, matutunan talaga natin. Kaya nga meron tayong academy. Okay, the basic to advanced topics will be taught no doon sa ating academy. So matututunan mo na 'yon. So once na naka-enroll ka, nag-subscribe ka no, you have the full access. So one full month na access or kung gusto mo 1 year na access, walang problema. Okay? So nandyan 'yan lahat readily available para padaliin yung buhay natin sa pagtitrade. Gusto nyo ba 'yon? Ano yung gusto nyo? Sino sa inyo here yung naka-experience na nung una, ayoko mag-trade kasi mahirap yan? Can you type in number 5 sa chat box? Sino sa inyo yung thinking before is yung pagtitrade is sobrang hirap? Kailangan mong aralin lahat talaga kailangan mong aralin no, before ka maging profitable. Can you type in number 5 sa chat box? Yan, may kausap pa ba ako, guys? Okay, type in number 5, 'di ba? Ganun yung thinking natin before na sobrang hirap mag-trade. So ano yung ginawa ng company natin ng Iconic, pinadali niya na po yung buhay ng mga traders. Kaya nga galit na galit no yung mga manual courses or nag-aral talaga ng sobra before sila maging profitable. Okay, kasi kasama na natin guys yung mga pro traders. Sila yung nagtuturo, sila yung nagtitrade no, sinasabayan natin. Imposible na hindi ka pa maging profitable. Tama, tama. Tama, 'di ba? Okay, so 'yan yung ating IQ Academy no or yung mga topics na readily available plus the live trading sessions and question and answers and yung mga recorded videos no during their discussions. Nandun lahat. Alright, so may time pa ba tayo? So an app with some of the top expert traders in the financial markets. So kasama din po to no yung Solex application natin. So hindi mo siya ma-screenshot if you want to share it to somebody kasi exclusive po siya sa mga naka-enroll, naka-subscribe. Okay, ganun po siya kaganda. Ganun yung exclusivity no ng ating services sa atin lang talaga. Okay, syempre nagbabayad tayo, dapat ma-maximize din natin 'yan. Okay? And ika-copy and paste mo na lang 'yan doon sa trades mo. Okay? So hindi ka na rin technical analysis, pero yung mga ganitong binibigay nila guys, meron din yang analysis. Okay? So pwede mong balikan bakit ganun yung naging entry. Okay? So mas maiintindihan mo by doing that. Hindi lang yung copy and paste ka tapos wala na. Alright? So another awesome service no na ino-offer natin is the Manara AI. So it's an AI na ini-scan niya no yung mga harmonic patterns. So I saw a video also no ng mga traders na matagal na rin silang nagtitrade and hinahanap nila yung mga harmonic patterns. Imagine if naka-enroll ka, naka-subscribe ka dito sa Iconic, hindi mo nahahanapin yung point A, B, C, D. Okay? Hindi mo nahanapin, hindi ka na magdo-drawing paano kasi ibibigay na sa'yo, ibabato na sa'yo ni Manara AI yung mga harmonic patterns na na-scan niya sa market. Ganon kagaling po, no? And take note, guys, 80 or 85% effectiveness, ibig sabihin, nasa 80% pataas po yung win rates ng ating mga signals na binibigay po through the Manara AI. And of course, we also have training for that. Papaano mo i-maximize, maging profitable ka by using our Manara AI software. Alright? So, yan. Baka may mga questions kayo guys, just type in sa chat box no para ma-address ko before mag-end yung ating presentation. So, we also have stock options. May for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. May weekly trade, live trading sessions din po to. And of course, no, yung nagtitrain po dito, grabe. Ang bayad po sa kanya, $300 per hour for private lessons. Pero tayo, we're getting it for free if naka-enroll po tayo dito. Imagine kung 1 hour lang yung time mo, tapos babayaran mo siya ng $300 for that. Pero sa atin, kasama na po siya sa package. Alright? So, and mataas lagi yung kanyang win rates, no? Kapag doon sa weekly results. Alright? So, meron din po tayong IQverse. Ito naman sa crypto, no? If you're into crypto. So, may live trading sessions, learning academies, updates, expert trade ideas, Marami yan. And nasa 80 plus din yung kanilang win rates. Okay? So kasama na rin yan if you will avail. Okay? Ayan. And syempre no, in terms of testimonials, so kung ayaw nyong maniwala sa amin, mamaya kakausapin natin si Coach Javen, no? Ano yung experience niya naman dito sa Iconic. Okay? So ito no, syempre mga foreigners, sila kasi yung mga una na sila yung nag-introduce sa atin, no? And imagine guys, no? Imagine marami tayong mabagong buhay this year 2025. So who are with me no na gustong mabago yung buhay nila this 2025? Okay? Sino yung gustong mabago? Type in me sa chat box. Yung gusto mo talagang ayaw mo na yung current situation mo. Maybe okay ka sa situation mo ngayon pero gusto mo mag-level up. Okay? Pagod ka na rin na alam mo yon na sakto lang or minsan gipit pa, 'di ba? Or hinahabol mo yung ano yun, yung petsa de peligro, 'di ba? Maybe it's the best time for you no to consider this opportunity kasi magbabago po talaga yung buhay nyo. Okay? So marami na pong nabago yung buhay. Tayo na lang po yung hinihintay. Okay? So ito na po yung mga packages no na dito sa lahat po ng binanggit natin. So we have Elite Pack. Okay? So meron po tayong $149.99 or $150 first month. Pero yung succeeding niya, $100 na lang. Ang kasama po dyan is IQ Academy, Manara, Solex, stocks, and live sessions. Okay, kasama na po dyan lahat. And then Elite Pro, okay, $200 or $199.99 yung first month and then yung succeeding months $149.99. Okay, kasama na po dyan lahat. Okay, sa Elite Pro. Sulit na sulit to guys, 'di ba? Imagine kung sa stocks pa lang no, $300 an hour na yung binabayaran. Ito buong month na po ito. Okay, and you have full access doon sa ating mga services na diniscuss kanina. Okay, and kung gusto mo naman mas makatipid, okay, gusto mong mas makatipid, so $1,499.99 na lang yung isang taon, okay, na subscription. Okay, kasama na po dyan lahat. Okay, gusto nyo pa ba guys na mas mura? Type in number 6 sa chat box. Gusto nyo mas mura dito? Si Coach Javen lang yung gustong mas mura. Okay, how about sa yan? Si Miss Annabelle, si Sir Fritz. Yan, gusto nyo mas mura guys? Sige, hintayin natin. Tatatlo lang yung, ayan, si Miss Joanne. Ayan, si Miss Sheila. Okay, sige, pwede ko nang sabihin. Si Sir Junard. Okay, ito guys na mas mura. Okay. So, Elite Pack, ayan, binanggit na natin yan. Elite Pro Emerging, okay? 179 lang yung first month and then yung succeeding months, no, 129 na per month. Okay? So, ang wala lang dito is the Plutos. Okay? Plutos tsaka stocks. Kasi for sure hindi mo naman lahat din talaga ma-maximize kasi sobrang dami niyan. Kung isa pa nga lang, actually sa Academy, sa Manara, sa Solex, okay na rin 'di ba? Pero syempre yung swipe to trade na pinakabago, wag nating kakalimutan. Kasi yun na yung pinakamadali guys, no? Iso-swipe mo na lang then you will enter the trade na. Okay? Kaysa mag-copy and paste ka pa. Okay, and yung annual nito guys, $999 na lang siya. Okay, compare natin dun sa isa. Magkano yung isa? 1 4 actually nakatipid ka dito no. Kung ito kasi yung kukunin mo, 1 month lang tapos 129 succeeding months. Kung ito total mo nakatipid ka dito ng $600. Okay? So kung mag-annual ka, magkano natipid mo? $600. Imagine in 1 year, imposible na hindi mo pa yan matutunan and hindi ka maging profitable. Okay? Kasi nandyan na lahat. Nandyan na po lahat. Okay? So kung gusto nyo naman crypto, okay, meron tayong IQverse Pack and IQverse Pro Pack. Okay, so ito po yan, 149.99 and 119.99. Ito, 199.99 and 150 per month. Okay, so yan, pwede po kayong mamili, no? just ask the person who invited you para ano yung tingin nyong nagustuhan nyo, tapos syempre at the end of the day kayo pa rin yung mamimili nung package na para sa inyo. Okay? Pero ang recommendation ko guys, no, para sulit po. Okay? So go for Elite Pro Emerging Annual. Buong taon na po yan, $999 na lang. Okay? Ang laki na po ng natipid nyo kaysa monthly kaya. First month nyo ito, tapos nag-monthly kayo. So sayang din yung $600 na matitipid. Okay? So, subscription model, okay, bakit ganun yung ino-offer natin, no? Enrollment and subscription. Okay? So, when the service works and is of quality, customers become loyal. Loyal customers generate passive, recurring, and predictable income. Okay? So now imagine if this subscription model paid you. Okay? Sa Netflix pa lang, 'di ba? Pag nagsa-subscribe ka, anong nangyayari, 'di ba? Gumagastos ka lang, di ka naman kumikita. Pero ito yung subscription no, na gumagastos ka, dahil natututo ka and kikita ka. Okay, ano yung mas gusto nyo guys? Gumastos ka na walang balik or gumastos ka na may balik? Type in 1 or 2 sa chat box. 1 or 2 sa chat box. Gumastos ka na walang balik, naubos pa yung oras mo, okay? Pero syempre meron din naman akong Netflix subscription, pang chill natin 'yan. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin is gagastos ka pero may balik. Okay? And actually, sulit na sulit to guys kasi pwede nyo naman kunin yung pang-subscribe nyo, no? Doon sa mga profits na makukuha nyo pag marunong na kayo, syempre. Okay, 1 or 2 yung gusto. Wala na yata akong kausap guys Okay, sige. So for sure yung number 2 yung may balik. Ayan, thank you Coach Javen. Okay, subscription model natin, no? Earn a monthly override bonus for every active customer in your business. Okay, so ito hindi ko na masyadong i-discuss sa inyo, no? Pero pinadaanan ko lang para at least you know na okay, pwede rin pala akong kumita sa kapag nag-share ako ng opportunity sa ibang tao. Okay? So, ito yung 2 ways to share, referral marketing and social media. Yun lang po din yung ginagawa namin. So, fast start bonus, you can get $30 to $50, no? For every personally enrolled starter package. So, kung ikaw yung nag-share sa friend mo tapos nagustuhan niya rin, nag-enroll siya, you will get $30 to $50, no, na bonus. Okay? So, okay din yun. Pangbawas mo doon sa binayad mo or pang dagdag mo sa capital mo sa pagtitrade. Gusto nyo ba yun, guys? Okay? So, if gusto nyo ito, magpa-discuss po kayo doon, no, sa person na nag-invite po sa inyo. Okay? And ito naman, di ko na to isa-isahin pa. Pero ito, no, if you were able to build your team here, kasi marami kang gustong tulungan din, definitely, no, mas malaki din yung kikitain mo. Okay? Ganon kaganda yung business na to. Kasi there are many businesses na pag sinare mo, wala ka namang nakuha. Tama? Pero sinishare pa rin natin. Okay? Ibig sabihin lang, dahil maganda yung service, maganda yung business opportunity, shinare natin at the same time kumita. Tama? Yung iba kasi allergic na ayokong i-share sa ibang tao. Okay lang po yun. Kung ayaw nyo i-share, edi wala pong problema. Basta aralin nyo po kung paano po yung pagtitrade para maging profitable po kayo. Option lang po ito for those people na gusto talaga ding tumulong sa ibang tao. Just like those people, no, na nag-invite sa inyo here, gusto lang namin na makita nyo yung opportunity. Alright? So, nasa ano na po tayo, no? Nasa momentum stage na tayo. So, kung gusto nyo talagang kumita, guys, no, bilisan nyo na lang din yung pagde-decide ninyo. Kasi, whether you will decide tonight or not, we will still share this to many people. Okay? Hindi lang po kayo yung kakilala namin na gusto naming tulungan. Marami pa po kaming gustong tulungan ng mga tao. Okay? So successful people know that timing and positioning are most important in business. So syempre, kung nauna ka, definitely itong trading kasi nagbo-boom na siya. Makikita nyo, one way or another, other people will share maybe the same opportunity or different opportunity, okay? Sa sa from other people papunta sa iyo, 'di ba? Pero yun nga, magde-decide ka pa rin. Okay? And last two slides na lang to tayo guys, and a complete step-by-step system built to help you succeed in this business, no, in trading using advanced technology, referral marketing, and social media. So lahat na po guys, pinag-isipan na po to nung founders natin, founder and leaders po natin, no, nakasama natin dito sa business. Wala na po tayong iisipin pang iba, gagawin na lang po natin. And last slide, okay, live an iconic life. Okay? Paano yung iconic life? So, yun yung life na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Okay? So, without further ado, no, kausapin natin, konting sharing lang, no, with Coach Javen. Coach Javen, nandiyan ka pa ba, Coach Javen?
Yes, coach.
Ayan. So, meron pa tayong 5 minutes coach, no. Share naman tayo ng experience din sa Iconic. Ayan. Ano ba so far yung paano ka ba din nagsimula and ano ba yung nagustuhan mo sa Iconic?
Yun guys, so yun again, thank you so much Coach CM for sharing the opportunity. So how do I start from this business now going to this business? Because guys, ako kasi nagwo-work ako sa hotel industry, and I'm formerly my last job I was working in the ship po, seaman tayo. So I was in Dubai, working in there in the platform o dun sa ano nilatag na oil reserves, no. So when I was there touring around the city, touring around Dubai, guys, ang daming mga businessman, no, na ang lalaki ng income nila, they're doing many business. And then what's funny is that all of these businessmen, I've noticed one in common, no, they're doing forex trading. If you not believe me, go to Dubai. So malaman mo talaga. So that's the pinnacle reason for me to at least, no, bakit ito mga mayaman, di ba? Imagine mo, they have the business, so much business, bakit nagka-trading pa sila, no? And yun talaga yung pinaka big question for me. That's why I jump into conclusion na I need to learn this business particularly, no? Because I know, kasi kung malalaman mo kung saan ka ba dapat makinig, guys, kung nasan talaga yung ano. Let's say kung gusto mong maging magaling sa business, talk with the businessman. If you want to be good in let's say medicine or tawag nito sa pagpapagaling sa tao, talk with the medical people, no? Yes. Same as in the business, in trading, makipag-usap ka kung gusto mo matagal na makita, talk with the people kung nasan, kung yung nandoon na sila sa success journey nila or already at the pickle point na gusto mong puntahan. So, we have noticed na talagang trading will be a great business in the next 5 to 10 years. And right now, you will notice, trading is now becoming a boom in our in Philippines alone. Kung makikita mo yung mga social media influencer, no, they're now introducing trading. And one thing I know for sure, if you will not jump into trading right now, in the next 5 to 10 years, I know you will jump in. And what is very, very, very good right now is, right now, the business is on your way. Ang gagawin mo na lang is, take the dip, no? Take the action. Diba? Yun lang, guys. Very short lang, no?
Yeah.
I will be...
Saka guys, ang gagawin nyo na lang, no, mag-enroll na lang kayo and assist pa namin kayo. 'Di ba? So, ganun na lang kabilis, ganun na lang kadali. So, in terms, Coach Javen, in terms of sa lifestyle mo naman, no, ano yung naging impact ng Iconic sa buhay mo?
Iconic, yun. Siyempre, and anybody, no, dreaming, no, na I know that everybody is working, no. If you have your employee, you're doing some extra job or extra business, all of us really want two things, no. Yung tinatawag na time freedom and financial freedom. Freedom na may time cap for yourself, for your family, and for the loved ones, no. Kasi not all is given and balanced things, no. Some of us mayroong pera pero walang time sa family, no. Some of us have the time, but walang pera.
Yeah.
Hindi pwedeng kasing gano'n, no? Isa sa useless, sabi nga nila, it's useless if you have time but without money. And useless din kung may time ka, ay kung may money ka, pero you don't have the time. So, to balance things, one thing is so sure is business alone will going to dictate the game, no? Para at least we can go there, no? I'm not saying all of us will go there, no? But right now, it is about taking the action because all the millionaires, wala namang hindi sumubok eh. Diba? Lahat na nanalo sa buhay, sumubok yan. So, hindi ka mananalo kung hindi ka talaga susubok eh. And as for me, that's the reason kaya I'm joining, no? I'm learning and I'm trying my best to learn this particular industry. And I'm doing online also. And I know I can project, no? I've been in the business also doing some selling. Kaya alam ko talaga na this will be something really big happening in the next 5 to 10 years. Magulat ka guys, baka turo to sa school. And the advantage is, kung matututunan mo siya ngayon, kung ngayon mo siya aralin, ngayon mo siya sisimulan, matututunan mo siya na mas ngayon. At aside from matututunan mo siya ngayon, kikita ka din ngayon. And aside from kikita ka ngayon, you will enjoy now. Diba? And most of the people, kasi ang trading plan nila, ang plan nila, no, ang life plan nila is retirement after 60. And we don't like to be like that. No, you have the money in 60 years old, you don't have the power, you don't have the energy to at least invest everything that you earn. And one thing is true. One question is, are you still alive during that time? No? Marami kasi ako nakita guys, they all prepared, money after retirement 60, doon pala mag-i-enjoy. Marami doon, yung pagdating ng 16, na dead sila. They don't enjoy the life. And right now, we don't like that, diba? Ang gusto ko maintindihan is, it's about making the most decision of your life, no? So one of the good thing is trading can be one of the factor na pwede mo magawa, no? To enjoy those things ahead of time.
Yes. Ayan. So, thank you, Coach Javen. So, time's up na rin tayo, guys. Thank you for sharing, no, Coach Javen. And syempre, doon sa mga participants natin, please message or connect with the person who invited you for the next steps, guys, no? Kasi sobrang dali na lang. Decision nyo na lang talaga yung kailangan, no? Para mabago yung buhay nyo. So, with that, thank you very much, everyone. God bless you and thank you again. Bye-bye.
Guys, take picture ka, Coach.
Ay, picture tayo. Picture. Sige. Before we end.
Picture tayo, guys.
Sige, please turn on your camera, guys. So, let's go. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa, may mga humabol. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Thank you, guys. Good night. Bye.